In this question we are given a bar chart representing the Test 1 and Test 2 marks of 30 pupils, and the question asks us to indicate all the true statements. The first statement claims that the number of pupils achieving 81 plus marks increased by 50% from Test 1 to Test 2. Well, we can see in Test 1 we had exactly 2 students who got a mark of 81 or above, and in Test 2 this increased to 6, so we need to find the percentage increase between 2 and 6. Well, let's assume that there was a 50% increase, and then if we increase 2 by 50%, that's the same as saying 2 multiplied by 1.5, which gives us 3. So if there were a 50% increase, we would have had 3 pupils got a mark of 81 plus in Test 2, but we don't. We have 6, so we know that this statement is false. The other way we could do this would be to find the percentage increase between 2 and 6. Well, we can just see that 6 is 3 times 2, so it's an increase of 200%. The second statement claims that more than 80% of pupils achieved more than 40 marks in Test 2. Well, we can see using the graph here that if we're looking for a mark of 41 or above, we're looking for anyone who got a mark of 41 to 60, 61 to 80, or 81 plus. So in Test 2 that gives us a total of 13 plus 6 plus another 6, and when we do that we get 25. Now 80% of 30 is the same as 0.8 multiplied by 30, which gives us 24. So if more than 80% of the pupils achieve more than 40 marks in Test 2, that means that more than 24 pupils achieve more than 40 marks in Test 2, and we now know that there were a total of 25 students, which is bigger than 24, so this statement therefore is true. Finally, the last statement claims that 1/3 of the pupils achieved fewer than 41 marks in Test 1. Well, we can see from the graph, if we're looking for less than 41 marks in Test 1, we have a total of 3 plus 7, so we have 10 pupils. Now 1/3 of 30 is 30 divided by 3, 10, and we have that 10 pupils achieve fewer than 41 marks in Test 1. So this statement here is true.